If you have a t-shirt business like me, then this tool that I'm about to show you is going to become essential in your day-to-day, especially with things like mockups and design ideas or proof of concept. Adobe just came out with this new AI model, Adobe Firefly, and just check out some of the crazy things that it can do. Right now we're going to check out the generative fill feature. So I have my design uploaded and I'm just going to go ahead and take my brush and just select the background. There we go. Now down here, we're just going to go ahead and type in what we want to replace it with. And I'm going with mountains. So let's just go ahead and generate and watch the magic happen. All right, so that's one option. And here it actually gives us a few others. And I absolutely love how it conforms to the art style. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one. Now let's see what a design would look like on a t-shirt. Let's go for over-the-ear headphones. All right, that one looks good. I like that one. All right, so I like those. Now let's go ahead and remove the background to something a bit more fitting. Let's check out a few graffiti walls. That looks absolutely amazing. Adobe Firefly has tons of different use cases, and ultimately it's up to you to find out how it works best. So just make sure to start experimenting and get creative.